Hey, we are back with the sweet potato pound cake. Let's go ahead and get all of our dry ingredients together. That's the flour, the baking powder, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, all that together. Let's mix it together, set that aside, and now it's time to throw in the butter and add in all of our dry ingredients. You will see one theme throughout this recipe. There is a lot of mixing. Make sure you get your mixer a tune-up, oil change, carburetor fixed, all that, because there's a lot of mixing. So we threw in the butter, got this stuff mixing on high speed. We hit it with Corvette type speed to begin with, but we dialed it back to the Geo Metro. Then we're gonna gradually add the speed. Now we're adding in the eggs one by one. This couldn't be me because I would have a whole Jackson 5 in there all together. It takes skills to drop these in there one by one. Good job. So again, we're gonna let this mix and mix and mix. Good thing this mixer does not have a union representative because this bad boy is getting put to work. Mixing, mixing, mixing. All right, so we're done mixing for the time being. We're scraping everything off. We can go ahead and put the mixer back in the counter because we are done with, what? Okay. All right, so I guess we're not done mixing. You're gonna mix this for about 5 minutes. I'm telling you, make sure your mixer has a tune-up. Now we are adding in the sour cream, we're adding in the sweet potato puree and some vanilla. And again, I think you know what's about to happen. Yeah, no break for you. Get to mixing once again. So we need to make sure all of these flavors are hanging out together, all getting along, and make sure everything is nice and delicious. Now we're going to begin to add in this flour. So we need to add this flour in one by one. Again, couldn't be me. That whole bucket of flour will be going in there all at the same time. That's why I am not the baker. I get impatient, but if you appreciate food and you want this thing to be right and off the chain, follow these instructions. Now we're gonna scoop everything into this pan, shake it up a little bit, make sure everything is even so that it cooks just right, and go ahead and fix up the hair, so when it comes out the oven, you see that? You see how beautiful that thing looks? Now we need to flip this bad boy over, let it rest for a little bit and cool off, and while it is resting and looking good, let's get this glaze ingredients going. And of course, we gotta start it with the butter, baby. That butter love, that butter love. So we get that butter melted down, right? Then we gonna throw in that honey, right? Then we gonna add in some sugar. And you know what's coming up next. We gotta mix it up. Now you might be thinking, can I do all this without a blender? Yeah, you can. But you better have Popeye in that kitchen with you. Your forearms are gonna be burning. Okay, let's get back to it. We got the milk in there, we're whisking this up, put the cinnamon in there, and now you need to add it to that cake. Look at that. You stand back, you look at this cake while it's drizzling on down and admire your work. You earned it.